Get to know turmeric. From ancient remedy to modern kitchen staple. Okay, let's chat about turmeric, that vibrant spice you probably have sitting in your pantry. It's so much more than just something to make your food look pretty. Turmeric has a fascinating history, a ton of health benefits, and it's super versatile in the kitchen. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, a natural compound known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Diets rich in plant-based foods like turmeric are associated with a lower risk of chronic conditions such as cancer and heart disease. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to help manage inflammation, making turmeric a popular choice for people dealing with arthritis, joint pain, colitis, allergies, and infections. Some research even suggests that turmeric may ease symptoms of depression and dementia, though these studies are small and more research is needed to confirm these effects. In traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric has been used to treat a wide range of ailments, including skin disorders, respiratory problems, digestive issues, and joint pain. There is also evidence that turmeric's antioxidant effects may stimulate the body's natural defenses, potentially supporting brain health and lowering the risk of heart disease. For example, one study found that people who took curcumin supplements after heart surgery had a significantly reduced risk of heart attack. Curcumin may also play a role in regulating mood by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels, and some research points to a possible role in cancer prevention, especially cancers of the digestive system. Cultivation. Now, what about growing your own turmeric? If you live in a warm climate or have a sunny spot indoors, it's totally doable. Turmeric grows from rhizomes, those knobby underground stems. Plant them in well-draining soil, give them plenty of sunshine and water, and watch them grow. It takes time, about 7 to 10 months, but harvesting your own turmeric is super rewarding. It thrives best in USDA hardiness zones 8 through 11, where temperatures stay between 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It also prefers humidity levels around 60 to 70%, mimicking its native tropical environment. If grown indoors, maintaining humidity with a humidifier and avoiding drafts can help the plant thrive. To start growing turmeric, you plant healthy rhizomes. These rhizomes should be cut into pieces about 1 to 3 inches long, each with at least one healthy bud, and allowed to dry for a day or two to prevent rot. Plant the pieces with the bud facing upward, about 2 to 4 inches deep in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Turmeric prefers sandy or clay loam soils with a pH between 4.5 and 7.5. The soil should not be waterlogged or highly alkaline, as these conditions harm rhizome development. Raised beds or ridges can improve drainage and aeration. It needs regular watering, ideally about 1.5 to 2 inches per week, or roughly 60 inches of rainfall or irrigation evenly spread over the first 8 months of growth. Hilling the soil around the plant 2 or 3 times during the growing season helps keep the rhizomes covered and prevents sun exposure, which can cause undesirable drying and scaly skin on the rhizomes. Weed control is important and can be done manually or with machinery at intervals during the growing season. Drip irrigation is recommended to maintain moisture while reducing disease risk. The growing period for turmeric is long, typically 8 to 10 months without frost. Planting is usually done in early spring, and the plant grows through the warm months, reaching a height of 3 to 4 feet. Harvesting occurs in late fall to early winter, when the leaves and stems dry and turn brown. At harvest, the rhizomes are carefully dug up to avoid damage, cleaned, and separated into mother rhizomes for replanting and finger rhizomes for processing or consumption. Culinary use. Turmeric is a cherished spice in many kitchens around the world, especially in South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisines, where it plays a starring role in adding both flavor and color to dishes. Its warm, earthy taste and vibrant golden yellow hue make it a key ingredient in curry powders, rice dishes, stews, and soups. Beyond traditional savory dishes, turmeric's versatility shines through in a wide range of recipes, from turmeric scrambled eggs and focaccia breads to rich lamb curries and seafood rice. It also lends a subtle earthiness and beautiful color to baked goods like pancakes and granola, showing just how adaptable the spice can be in both sweet and savory contexts. Fresh turmeric root, when available, can be grated much like ginger and added to dishes for a more intense flavor and aroma, while ground turmeric is commonly used as a seasoning. A little turmeric goes a long way. Typically, half a teaspoon is enough to season soups, stews, grains, and sauces without overpowering other flavors. Turmeric pairs exceptionally well with spices such as cumin, coriander, and paprika, enhancing complex flavor profiles in dishes like biryanis and rendongs. Golden milk. One of the most popular modern uses of turmeric is in beverages, particularly the trendy golden milk or turmeric latte. This soothing drink combines turmeric with milk, black pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and sometimes sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Golden milk is enjoyed both as a comforting daily tonic and for its anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting properties. Whether you're sprinkling it into your favorite dishes, brewing a comforting cup of golden milk, or exploring its medicinal benefits, turmeric offers a unique blend of taste and healing power. Embracing turmeric in your daily routine is a simple yet meaningful way to add warmth, color, and vitality to both your meals and your well-being. While turmeric offers potential health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. And as with anything, moderation is key.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.